So this is the cooking method of stir fry. So I've got a wok, I've got some vegetables, carrot, courgette, onion, mushroom, a little bit of spring onion, and I've got some prawns, some mini prawns there, a little bit of soy sauce just to show the stir fry cooking method. So pan on, we want to get it really hot when you stir fry, because you want the vegetables, they're cut quite small. I want to cook it, get the vegetables and the foods cooking really quickly. So you want a high heat, hot pan. Oil. Okay. I may need to turn the extractor fan on this on for this one, because there may be a fair bit of smoke. So if that starts buzzing, then that'll be why. Okay. Just need to get the pan super hot, super duper hot. It'll be quite quick. It's quite a thin pan. I see the oil's already started to shimmer. Okay, I reckon, oh yeah, okay, so we want to do this quickly. It starts to smoke. When it's at smoking point, we're good to go. So the onions are in, my mushrooms are in. You get that smell of the vegetables straight away. Get those cooking. Try and keep the heat in the pan. Vegetables. Give that a little hot. Give that a few seconds. I've got some table salt. Get that in there. Lovely. Now we just want to get it all mixed up on that high heat. Okay, let's go put the prawns in. Get them cooking off quickly, and I've got a little bit of soy sauce. Get that in there. Lovely. So the vegetables are nice and cooked. Prawns are cooked. I'm just going to finish it off with my spring onions. And this is the, get that out of the way. Bowl. Oh, prawn there. So that's the cooking method of the stir fry. So it's a really hot pan, wok, small cut vegetables, get them in there, cook really quickly, keep it moving around, and there we go. So cooking method, stir fry.